In this video, I will show you the easiest way to create a similar web account completely for free. To do this, you can just go and click on the link down in the description, which will take you directly to the SimilarWeb account creation page, where you can see you can create your free account by entering your work email or continuing with Google or LinkedIn. For this example, I'll just sign up with Google. And then from there, it will take you to the onboarding where you are about to start your free trial of the SimilarWeb platform. So just click Get Started, then answer these questions such as what do you want to use it for, what is your job title. Then from there, you can choose what you want to use, so the Web Intelligence, Sales Intelligence, or Amazon Shopper. For example, I want to use Web Intelligence, so then you can click Start Trial. Now here you can invite team members or click Maybe Later. Then choose which plan you want to use after your free trial, for example the professional plan. Then you will need to enter your payment info, and again you will not be billed today if it says total due today 0, and then here you can see when you will be billed. Now you can do either monthly or annual billing, whichever one you want to do, and then just go and enter your payment details and then click Start 7-day free trial now. So now you know how to create a SimilarWeb account. Again, if you would like to get started for free, you can do so through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.